Hussein took 5 tens.
And Hussein, how much is 5 tens worth?
50.
Okay.
And I took 2 tens, which is 20. He took 5 ones, and I got 2 ones.
And how do you think you're going to add those numbers together? What are you going to do?
We're gonna count by tens.
Can you tell me how that sounds like?
10, 20, 30, 40, 41, 42, 43,
Let me ask you, are these worth 1 or are they worth 10?
10,
Can we try to count by tens again?
10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77.
Very good. Hussein, can you count that with us too? Let's do it again. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77. How could we know that that's 7 without even counting?
5 plus 2 equals 7.
Very good. You can work on your equation at the bottom with your marker.